sweetie pies, welcome back. If you're new here, welcome, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Today we are doing a combination of Figi and Bahama curl. This crochet is just for you, sweetheart. Stay tuned and I'll show you just how to get this done. Subscriber of the week goes to, and I thank you. Okay, you loves, my hair is being reused from the last crochet that I've done. You know what, I might as well keep it in. There was no point of me to take it all the way down to re-braid it. Might as well reuse it. It's not bad, it still looks good. I just washed around my perimeter and now I'm finna oil and grease the crap out of it. Again, my loves, you do not need a leave out. I prefer a leave out. I think it goes well with my crochets and I love the way it blends. The blend is beautiful to me. You know, you do not have to get it, but I prefer it. All of my products are going to be listed in the description box below. Okay, you guys, let's oil our scalp. Remember, we're not going to be able to get to it. So it's best that you oil and grease your scalp underneath your crochets. I'm using 3 different type of oils. The second oil that I'll be using is some anti-itch scalp serum. That's to help with your scalp when your hair is being locked in and it's itching and you can't get to it. So it helps prevent the itch. Make sure you're getting in all the nicks and the crannies, because believe me, when your hair starts growing from these braids, you're going to want to itch it. So make sure you're using this anti-itch. This other spray is a braid spray. You can actually use this daily for cornrows, any type of braid pretty much, and it helps soothe your scalp and it oils your scalp up instead of you having to rub grease or oil in your hair. You just spray it on, which I think this is a great product. Okay, I did get this hair from my local beauty supply store, you guys, especially the Figi curl. I tried to look on Amazon for it and I could not find it. So please go to your local beauty supply store. And for the Bahama curl, you can find this anywhere. This new product that I'm using, Bask and Lather, I'm trying it out for the first time. It smells amazing. It seems like it's slicking very, very well. But you tell me what you think about it. I think it's okay, but I still love my black control. I'm never leaving that. We're starting off with the Bahama curl. Why? Because it gives more volume to the hair than the Figi. So I'm going to start with the base around the back and then in the middle and then on the sides with the Bahama curl. Starting this crochet off, you want to try to get to the very, very base, the very back of your hair. You're going to put the needle through or under the braid. You're going to pull the hair in. Then you're going to make a loop. Then you're going to put the hair through the loop, twirl it one time around your finger, and then knot that up. When doing this method that I just did, I'm actually going to tie another knot just to show you that you can secure it if you don't feel that it's secure enough. But definitely that will do the trick. This is the easiest method for crochets, period. So this is another method. I have a couple methods, but this is the easiest. Okay, this is a method for if your hair is really, really thick. You're going to put the needle in between the braid and then you're going to crochet that normally the way I did on the first step. Only reason why I'm saying this is so if you was to put the crochet underneath the whole entire braid, it might be too bulky. And then if you're trying to tie the crochet, then it might not tie. It might not be too tight. So I prefer you to go underneath the braid for better results. All right, we're adding the Fiji curl in. Let me tell you, right now, we're going to start it off with the invisible knot. We're going to do this for the rest of our hair. This Fiji curl and the Bahama curl mixed together, I think is the bomb combo. You guys are going to love this. You're going to love the outcome. Just take your time and get it right. Now around your perimeter, we're going to get smaller, really, really smaller pieces um, because this is going to help with the blending of your hair. You don't want no big bulk or big knots in the front when you're trying to blend it. So make sure when you're pulling the hair apart, you make sure it's very, very thin so it can go around your edges and then help blend with your natural hair. Okay, sweethearts, when separating, separate with your fingers. You can use a wide tooth comb, but I prefer your fingers instead. We're going to grab our scissors and we're going to cut downward. Remember, never cut from side to side. And we're just going to continue to separate the curls. All of my products are going to be listed in the description box below, sweeties. So my Cantu curling cream, we're going to use that as our base. And we're going to make sure when we're parting to part each part that our hair is braided, if you can see that. Okay, we're also going to use some Shine and Gem Magic Fingers Mousse. You guys, this is the bomb. I love it. I always use it. It's one of my go-tos. So we're just going to twist our hair up because, again, this is the blending process. So pay attention. I'm not even gonna lie, this edge control slicks and it stays. It really, really does a good job. So I do recommend getting this, this edge control. This edge control is well fitted for this crochet hairstyle that you're trying to blend your natural hair into. I think it works beautifully with it, and I think you should check it out. Okay, this routine that I'm doing here, I do this every night. I suggest you do the same if you want this hairstyle to last you a couple of weeks. Yeah, make sure you're doing this every night, you guys. And these are the finished results, my sweetie pies. Look at it. It's giving woman. It's giving sexy woman. I'm enjoying this, you guys. If you really like this tutorial, don't forget to like, comment, share, most definitely subscribe. I love you, even if I don't know you. I'll see you guys next time.